You'll know quite a few actions in Gaelic, like a dhianamh, doing, a gopad, working, and a giche, eating. But watch out for a small change that happens when saying you're going to do something. When we say we're going to a place, we'll unite the place name. Hamia dolf a vulle, I'm going to Mull. And we do exactly the same when saying we're going to do something. Je how a dol a dhianamh. Dhianamh rather than dhianamh. I'm going to play. Chluiche. Hamia dol a chluiche. And with an action that starts with a vowel, we'd say Hamia dol a dhiche. I'm going to eat.